Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front, and we can do it by using this button here. So hi again. And now let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down to the general settings. As you can see here we have the mirror reflection option, so by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.